Good morning, guys. We have been reading How Coyote Stole Fire, and Miss Rogers talked to you yesterday about a myth, and she told you that a myth is made up of characters that are gods and goddesses. She also told you that this type of genre is make believe, so it's made up, okay? So all the characters and all the events that are happening are made up, okay? So she told you that most of the time the characters are like gods or goddesses, and myths will try to explain how something works in the world or why something happened, okay? So she went over a myth with you yesterday, so I just wanted to review real quick with you. So when you've been reading How Coyote Stole Fire, there are some vocabulary words in there that I'm going to go over with you today, okay? Because you're going to read How Coyote Stole Fire again today, and so I'm going to go over the vocabulary. So the first vocabulary word I have is teepees. Okay, so you see right here. So a teepee looks like a tent, and it's shaped like a cone. It was used in the past by some Native Americans. Okay, and it's a noun. A noun is a person, place, or a thing. So this is a place technically, because it's a teepee here, is a place where they would live at. Okay, because like Mr. Rogers said yesterday, this is a Native American myth. Okay. Our next word is crept. Crept is a verb, it's an action. So if you look here at this woman on the stairs, she's moving slowly and carefully so she doesn't make any noise. So she crept. So it looks like when we see this vocabulary word crept in the story that maybe someone's trying to sneak up on them, okay? Our next vocabulary word is glowing, and you'll see a picture of the light bulb. It's glowing. That means having steady light. It's an adjective, so it's a descriptive word. So you will see the word glowing in How Coyote Stole Fire. Swallowed, okay? And look at that picture of that guy. Looks like he's swallowing fire, okay? It's a verb, it's an action, and it's going to make it disappear like when you eat it. So the magician is pretending to have swallowed the fire, which means you just make it disappear like you're eating it. Okay, and here's one of the vocabulary words, feast. That's a noun. It's a large special meal. So look at this feast. It's a large special meal. So I want you to think, when's the time that you have a feast at home? Like what holiday, okay? And that's just when you have a large special meal. Okay, so that's all your vocabulary words. So as you're reading today, I want you to look for the word feast, swallowed, glowing, crept, and teepee, okay? So you're going to read How Coyote Stole Fire, and you're going to answer the questions today, okay?